Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison, and today we're going to be going over the Ethereum chart and doing a bit of technical analysis and looking at a couple of other things as well with regards to Ethereum. Now you can see Ethereum, we are reaching 3545, which is the highest it's been since May of this year. So we know we kind of reached an all-time high in May 2021 this year to 4,359. Since then it fell right kind of back down, all the way down to around about 1669. So we're looking to reach the all-time high again for Ethereum. So where could it go from here, and where's the support areas, etc. Okay, so we previously had resistance at, I'll just take this off just now. We previously had resistance at the 2,900 area, and I said kind of weeks ago, once it broke that and stabilised at that, we're going to move higher from there. That's exactly what's happened. You can see it bounced from there a couple of times and it started moving up again. Now the next resistance area we're kind of looking at is really 4,177. That's the kind of all-time high there, the closing all-time high. The wick all-time high is about 4,400, something like that. So it looks as if we're going to move up towards that all-time high again quite soon. A couple of other things I want to show you though. I want to show you the ETH and Btc chart. So we can see just now that Ethereum is 7.4% the price of Bitcoin at the moment. Now again, the last time I'd done that was round about the kind of June time, and where it kind of was its all-time high again. But we'll look at it on the weekly and just show you what happened on the previous cycle. So this is back in January kind of 2018 is the last time really we hit around about the 8%, and my kind of prediction is once we hit that 8%, I think we're going to move very, very high to around about the 16% area, just like we did back in 2017. So this is kind of almost a cycle here, and I think we're going to get this move to the upside once it goes past 8% to around about the 16% area. And we're really going to see Ethereum almost touching, I don't think it'll quite flip on this cycle, but I think it'll almost touch and possibly for a second or two flip it, the Bitcoin market capitalization. Now for it to do that, obviously the market capitalization of Bitcoin just now is 900 billion. Market capitalization of Ethereum just now is around about 400 billion just now. So if it does kind of flip it, it might do it momentarily, but it might not just get there this cycle. Certainly next cycle it definitely will, I think. But this is an area to keep an eye on as well. Look for the percentage price or the ETH BTC price. So we can see a big kind of spike up there from around about 6.5% to around about the current price of 7.4% just now. So that's where we're sitting at. Once it goes past 8%, I think we're going to make a move there as well. Worth it to have a look at the Bitcoin price just now, $47,606 at the moment. You can see we've got support there around about the 46,400, and I can see Bitcoin going up from here as well. But certainly Ethereum is leading the way at the moment. Another area to look at is the Ethereum Dominance. We've never really been this high since 2018. So this is over the last 3.5 years or 3 years, we haven't been this high. And once it breaks the 20% area, I think we're going to jump up to round about where we were before, back in 2017, round about the 30% area. And that's when Ethereum's going to go to its all-time high, plus we're going to get the altcoins going to their all-time highs as well. And we're going to get a big altcoin run. I think that's going to happen this quarter. I think that's what's going to happen here. Ethereum's going to go up. I think what's going to happen is Ethereum is going to lead the way. Then Ethereum is the altcoins are going to jump up, and Bitcoin is going to slowly rise as well. That would be the ideal scenario. We don't want Bitcoin jumping up to 50, 55, 60,000 because that's going to kill the altcoin market. So I think an Ethereum-led run is going to be good for the altcoins, and then Bitcoin is slowly going to come back up again over the next few months. So I think that's ultimately what's going to happen. And here is what I think is going to happen with Ethereum, because what's happening just now of what happened 4 years ago with Bitcoin. We'll just have a look at that just now. What happened 4 years ago? We've seen this kind of big rise up from kind of March 2017, around about the 1200 area, and all the way up to $20,000 area, and I've got it here on the map as the orange kind of lines here. We can see we can move this if we want. So what I've done is I've transposed that onto the Ethereum price, and it kind of mirrors what's happening with Ethereum just now. So if we look at this, just now, from round about here, round about the $542 area, is kind of mapping what Ethereum is doing. Not exactly mapping, but the kind of highs and lows is kind of mapping there. And if this is the case, if it does keep on mirroring what Bitcoin done back in 2017, we could see an Ethereum price of 20,000. It says here June 2022. I think it could be sooner than that. I'm thinking Q1, the end of Q1, end of March 2022, or certainly a $10,000 price for Ethereum by the end of this year. So that's kind of my thinking just now. That's where we're going with Ethereum just now. So it could get up to 20,000. I'm looking for $10,000 by the end of this year, possibly 20,000 by the end of March 2022. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Be interesting to hear your thoughts as well. Okay, until next video, namaste. Take care. Bye now.